Kishane Thompson is faster than Noah Lyles. But being faster and running faster are two different things. A bulletin board commentary. Please join the family. Like, share and subscribe. You will be glad you did. Kishane Thompson is faster, and that's not opinion. That's math. That's the clock. 9.77 seconds at the Jamaican Trials. Clean, explosive, historic. Lyles? His best is 9.79. Kishane is faster. Fact. So what makes Lyles the winner? Kishane was faster at the Olympics. Why then is Lyles the champion today? A lot of people put it down to a dip. Cut out that foolishness. Some people are even recommending dip practice. What utter nonsense. Get out of here with that. You practice to race, not to dip. You can't plan a dip into a race. A dip is merely circumstantial. If you can't get that, go and get your head checked. So, why is Noah Lyles champion and Kishane playing second best? It's just as good a question as, why is Asafa Powell short of an Olympic or world game goal? Asafa Powell being faster, Seville being faster, Kishane being faster, is not what translates to the win on the day. It has nothing to do with a dip. Sometimes, before the start, a runner already dipped out. Because being faster and running faster are two different things. Kishane has the legs. He has the start. He has the numbers. But Lyles has the moment. He has the lean. He has the mind. He has the mental toughness, like Usain Bolt and titanium. And that is very important. There are different energies that go into making a champion. And it's not only to be faster. When you enter the stadium and see those bright lights, do you feed on the energy, or does the energy feed on you? When the lights are brightest, Lyles doesn't just run, he performs. He doesn't flinch. He doesn't fold. He makes those bright lights, the intimidating crowd, and all the nerves become his food, the way Usain Bolt used to chew it all up, spit it out, and own every bit of the drama, unfazed, ain't scared and not bedazzled by the moment. Instead, he bedazzled the crowd. He unnerves the audience, he deflects the negative energy, and then he eats it for fuel. Get that part and 25% of excess pressure will immediately leave you. Noah Lyles is a son of that secret. An elite school of a chosen few, and Kishane is welcome to join. Watch Usain Bolt again. No coach can teach him that part. He finds that extra 0.01 that doesn't live in your quads, it lives in your chest. And no, it's not a stupid irritating dip. Kishane was suddenly baptized almost like magic, unexpectedly, he was under those lights. Now that he saw what it is, let's hope he will join the club of titanium nerves for the next one. 2024 Olympic Final. Both men clock 9.79. But Lyles wins by 0.005 seconds. Kishane had the better start. Lyles had the better finish. That's not about speed. That's about nerves dragging you back. We've seen this before. Asafa Powell. Seville. Men who are faster than their rivals, but not when it counts, where nerves will set in, and it becomes a place for the chosen few. Most great athletes will never achieve the grandest things, but only the best they can in the circuits. That's how it is and forever will be. They will always do well and promise much. They dominate the semis. They shine in the heats. But when the Olympic gold is on the line, something tightens. Not the hamstrings, the heart. Speed is a gift. Performance is a skill. And the track doesn't reward the gifted, it rewards the prepared. That's why some men win with less talent, and others lose with more. Kishane was out for a while and returned to us suddenly. We are still to find out which of those groups he falls in. Yes, with the least bit of doubt. Kishane Thompson is faster than Noah Lyles. But until he learns to run faster when it matters, he'll keep losing to men he's already beaten on paper. Because the stopwatch doesn't care about potential. It only records what you do when the world is watching. And on that day, when the world is watching, not every athlete will stand the pressure. Is Kishane Thompson one of those high-energy feeders that eats up the nerves, or is he more like the countless others that nerve will defeat and keep defeating in the heat of fiery, roaring stadiums? Because Noah Lyles is definitely one of those. He eats nerves for dinner, or even for a snack in that stadium before the gun goes. If you're tired of seeing raw talent go to waste, if you believe greatness is more than numbers, like, share, subscribe. And remember, the real race is always invisible. This was a bulletin board commentary.